Hello everyone, Spike Mike here. I am at Epcot, filming in the rain. Yeah. First park we've been to. We've been here for about 4 hours.
Yeah.
And this is the first thing we're doing. It's like 6. Got to the room. I didn't film the room yet. So that'll be another video. But yeah, here I am at Disney. So, and yeah, of course, as soon as we left the hotel, that's when it started to rain. First park we came to. So, whatever, what are you gonna do? Can't control the weather. So here we are at Epcot. Oh, and I just got a nice big drop on me. Wearing out ponchos. So, let's do this. Here's Spaceship Earth. I'll get a better shot of this another day. It's actually it's kind of crowded in here.
Are we going to have a chance?
Oh, yeah, but I don't know about...
No. It's not even rainy and it's later in the day. It's actually crowded. I'm surprised. So, I got my birthday pin on. I got the hotel they gave it to me. My mom's very upset she didn't get her birthday pin. That's all they get one, but no. So. We're now walking to find one of the stands to do the Food and Wine Festival because we haven't eaten it like all day. I had breakfast, that was it, and some cookies. So now we're going to the back of the countries that eat at one of the stands. Pretty exciting. Oh good, it stopped raining for a little bit. It was pouring 2 seconds ago. Oh look, it's clearing up a little bit. That's good. Ooh.
What? When are you gonna take a picture of us?
You know what? They said that's a good thing about Disney. Actually, they don't bug you to take your picture.
We want them.
I know.
We want them to.
I know. I'm just saying. Let's go on test track. That way. I know we need food. I'm starving. Just to give you a little glimpse of what's going on. I will film a lot more, don't worry. Goodbye.